Why are these two knobheads wearing different shirts in every single scene, you may ask?
Woo! What size Australian coin are your nipples?
They'll only know if they watch the videos.
If you don't know, well, then
You don't matter. And then you believe our lie. It turns out ChatGPT is not an LS guy. Who knew? Now that I've covered up my receding hairline, I can go ahead and cut out these.
Now this was originally supposed to be the final wrap up and reveal for the video that we posted months ago. But it seems that every time I try to do something nice for this car, it rewards me with another headache. Despite spending the last 12 months as a shed ornament, we finally managed to drag it back out the doors and on the road for a proper reveal.
So the main issue we've had throughout this whole process, we prep a panel, we lay the vinyl, and as we maneuver it, it lifts the clear coat. The adhesive is obviously ruined underneath. The vinyl goes in the bin, and then we have to start fresh. On bigger panels like the roof, the bonnet, and a couple of others, we've literally just gone ahead and sanded the entire thing back down. So there's zero clear coat on the panel. On certain panels, we've primered the entire thing. I know you're not supposed to wrap on primer. We'll see if it lasts or not. That's what's happened here. On these smaller pieces, I've tried to just sand it back down so you don't see it through the finished product. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. Pre-prep it and then try to save this piece. Literally just died, but final piece.
Sheesh. Not bad for a first time rapper. Even my cutting job, all of this is going to be hidden. The seam, I could cut it a little bit closer if I wanted to, but honestly, you're not going to see that unless you're sitting this close to it, you know? Not bad. So all that's left to do now is I'm going to cut out these little pieces here, give it a final heat, and then put everything back together. And then the boot is done. Dunsky, son. Woo! Cake. See? It's cake. You can do it yourself. By the way, I've never wrapped in my life before. So if I can do it, there's a chance you might be able to do it. I am the GOAT, so I'm joking. Why are these two knobheads wearing different shirts in every single scene, you may ask? Because we're 3 weeks into this and it's basically one video. I don't like that, eh? Crocs, old.
It does come out the front.
New, I know.
Looks so much more aggressive. I don't really know. This was drift car cutting, and now it's not a drift car anymore.
It is a drift car. What? Is it a drift car?
Yes, of course. Of course.
Look at the camera and say it's a drift car.
Of course. Of course. Of course. Mine's already cut for clearance for the intercooler.
I think we just keep that one as a spare bar then.
I'll just say it happened right after we finished everything perfectly.
You realise we're recording.
They'll only know if they watch the videos.
If you don't know, well,
then you don't matter. And then you believe our lie.
We need new seats.
Ew, it's blue inside. But, oh, it's so yuck.
Every time I'm here, I have to look at my car, just standing there.
We could have had it running by now.
No. Who told me to go on ChatGPT? It
Turns out, ChatGPT is not an LS guy. Who knew? Looks like AI is too smart to be messing with the wrong engines. Pop quiz of the day. What size Australian coin are your nipples? Personally, I'm 10 cent. If you have lunch tomorrow and you have 10 cents in your hand, just know that you're holding my nipples. Now that I've covered up my receding hairline, I can go ahead and cut out these.
Just like I sung one of them songs a while ago and I put a voice in there. Say that love hide all fault. Make you
Look how far it sticks out now. I don't even know if my lip's gonna fit on there properly.
That looks sick.
It does look sick.
Like, that looks sick.
The amount of things I've used hot glue for that I should not use hot glue for is astounding.